The apple train rolled down the twisty track. Red apples bouncing, never looking back. Round and shiny, sweet and bright, dancing along in the morning light. Apples peek out from each carriage wide, waving their tiny hands with cheerful pride. Through the sunny orchard, past green trees, swaying gently in the playful breeze. One apple twirled, another hopped high, shining under the big blue sky. Birds sang along, and butterflies flew, making the apple ride a colorful view. Clickety-clack went the train so fast. Through fields of flowers it soon passed. All the apples laughed and cheered, the happiest train you've ever heard. The ride went on till the sun went down. Apples rolled happily through the whole